turn any cabinet into a secret safe with a smart cabinet lock. Simply remove the adhesive and attach it to the inside of any drawer, and you'll be able to protect your items without compromising the look of your furniture. To unlock, simply use the RFID card or unlock via the app with a push of a button. This gadget is perfect for families with little ones and provides an extra layer of security for your valuables.
I've worked from home for almost 7 years, and staying focused has always been a challenge. This lightweight, portable, adjustable desk allows me to move freely throughout my house. It can go as high as 42.5 inches and as low as 28.5. It easily adjusts with the lever on the side, and the wheels can be locked in place. It makes a great side table and has come in handy when doing crafts. This Genius anti-fatigue mat is the only one of its kind. Not only does it help with back and joint pain, but it increases my focus and attention span. It has built-in acupressure points and a roller ball that can trigger pressure points that helps me stay more alert. It's durable, non-slip, and wipes clean with a damp cloth.